Here we are tuning in for another week. We hope you enjoyed the cinematics in this start of this video. Shout out to Liam, killing it on the video work, doing such an awesome job. Jump right into this thing. This is my personal shop truck here. It's a 2022 Ford F250 Limited. Had a lot of people involved on this thing, a lot of moving parts and a lot of things to come together to make this happen. This is a lot of work to do a kit this big. You see us cranking out these, 4 and 6 inch kits pretty regularly. This is totally different ball game. 3 guys worked on this thing solid for about a week and a half. So you can imagine it's a lot of work. Starting off with like body wise, we had everything color matched. Kind of did like a chrome delete for most of the chrome anyways. We left a couple of little things like the 250 emblems, some of that stuff. Our guys at Southern Powder Coating took care of us on that. Matched the grill, did the emblems, all the plastic on the bumper, trimmer valence, mirrors, door handles, emblem on the back. They killed it on that, super slick paint. So shout out to those guys. For the lift, we did a Striker off-road 4-link kit. It's got this with the center cradle, rear traction bars. We thought originally around 13, 14 inches of lift. Come to find out it's setting around 15 inches of lift. After some measurements and all that stuff, it's definitely setting up a little bigger than we thought, which is never really a bad thing. But again, Southern Powder Coating took care of us on powder coating the whole lift. We did a pearl white, like a tri-coat white to match the pearl paint. Polished face plates. As you guys have seen our 450, we wanted to kind of do a matching setup for some of the shows and stuff. Carbon coilovers, a new line that Striker's carrying. Super impressed with those. They ride great. Kyle at Striker kind of went over the top to do some of our custom logos on here, scattered throughout. It's still got some of the Striker logoing and branding as well, but again, setting around 15 inches of lift. So shout out to Striker, shout out to Southern Powder Coating. Those guys do some crazy stuff. For wheels, we went with the JTX Forge 30x16 Trinity. It's a new wheel for 2022. 42-inch tires from Fury Off-Road. Pretty much wraps it up. No performance stuff on this one. It's all just kind of pretty stuff to make it look good, to go to some of these shows and whatnot. Hope you guys enjoy this thing. We love building stuff like this. Not very useful anymore. I think I've drove it like maybe 50 miles since we got it finished, but looks cool. Parked out front in front of the new shop, which brings me up to the next point. We are officially in our new shop. As of last week was our first full week. It's been a little hectic, so you'll see the videos kind of a little different here over the next couple of weeks. We're just trying to get situated. Liam's finally got him an office set up. As you guys know, before we have 400 square foot of office down there, so really didn't have anywhere for Liam to work. He was making it happen and still doing the thing, but it was a little tough for him. So now he's got an office set up. Actually, November the 12th, we got an open house coming up. Love to have all you guys out. Anybody that's local, or if you're not local, if you can make it, fly in, whatever, we'd love to have you in. We get to check out the facility. We'll have all our displays set up. We've got some really cool stuff going in our showroom in there. Have some really sweet cars here, plenty of exotics, some big trucks, a little bit of everything, some really cool rides. So we look forward to seeing you for that. We'll release more details here soon, but for the meantime, just make sure to watch all our social medias and all those things. November the 12th. We don't know exact time frame yet. Sometime during the day, obviously that's a Saturday, but have a really cool event. Have a lot of people out, have some food and some giveaways and all that good stuff. So make sure to watch and tune into our social media for that and keep up with us there. But yeah, enjoy the video. We appreciate you tuning in, and thanks for watching.